Today we're gonna make some pancakes without any flour. We're gonna mix up all of our wet ingredients. Let's start off with an egg. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of local honey. Make sure to get the honey in the bowl and not on your shirt. 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix all your wet ingredients. A pinch of baking powder. Mix that up. Add your finely blended oats and mix it all together. Let's butter up the cast iron pan. You're gonna use about 1/3 of a cup of the batter for each pancake. Let's flip these bad boys. Oh yeah. With this recipe, you can make about 3 pancakes. There you have it, some pancakes made with no flour. Let's have a bite. Simple and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.